But you guys were up.
It does not matter.
Doesn't matter how, what do you mean?
Naffe abali waggulu era batuyita tugende wansi.
Lwaki bali babayita mukirire wansi?
Munaye namba nga y'abantu basatu abali wansi.
Ekitegeeza show anyway.
Flopping.
Show ya flopping. Yeah, Chameleon.
I'm so lucky I was talking to abalimu
management.
The total amount zebatekamu ne zebatajamu, it's so sad in that not even 10% yavayo. That venue is big in that tebaweza n'abantu bibiri.
Yes, mugamba muti abekumira ku Eye Uganda amanya mba tempo ngamba ntuse n'omukyala gwe tero kikwasaganya ajja kuba beyanjulira masa nga bwe tuzze tukola ki tukitambuza. Yes, waliwo saga yaliwo last week Chameleon we yajja mu Dubai, abasinga mwamulaba abala tebamanya bituufu byali ku show. So tubale nayagadde ntwale ku budde nkole deep studies olw'okuba nga sinavayo kibaako nekyenjogera ku nsonga eyo. So kemmanye bwe kyatandika kitya situation eyo yabaki kyekituufu ekyaliko ku show. A lot was said, bantu bangi baga Chameleon yakozesa abantu loosi, Chameleon simanya yagano linnya biki kwegamba. A lot of stories zibaddewo, a lot of stories developing ziko issue ya Chameleon okujja mu Dubai. Chameleon twamula bwe yajja mu Dubai ya spending nga yagendako ku skydiving biki byonna bye yakola. Kyekituufu ekyaliko ku show. Ensonga lwaki nfunye omuntu omu kubaliyo of course babeera mu VIP eri waggulu. VIP babalaba sola noonya muntu wa economy. Abe economy tebasobola baba wansi baba nabo banoonya wakutula na kunoonya kyakulya gye kiri.
Nayeoloza waaliwo enjawulo.
But you guys were up.
It does not matter.
Doesn't matter how, what do you mean?
Naffe abali waggulu era batuyita tugende wansi.
Lwaki bali babayita mukirire wansi?
Munaye namba nga y'abantu basatu abali wansi.
Ekitegeeza show anyway.
Flopping.
Show ya flopping. Yeah, Chameleon.
Nga tetunagenda wala leka neyanjule. Amanya bampita Zawadi and I'm a tour and travel consultant at BBH. We do work in visas, all kind of visas as a UAE. We do tours and travels. You want tickets, wildwood, nevidala. And then I'm always advising people abagala okujja Dubai, let's sort the immigration issues. Oba waliya ebizibu ebya visa and all that. We try to fix them, okay? So that is what I do. Naye kati njagala kujja ng'omuntu eyaliyo ku show, ng'omuntu eyajesunga, ng'omuntu eyagula tiketi ya bina. Obusungu
bina VIP yali ya bina.
Bisatu kyenda mu mwenda.
Of course bina. Kati
eyaddako yali ya bibiri.
Then
ya 19 mu mwenda ya bibiri, then eyaddako yali ya 10.
Kati issue ya Chameleon eriwetika show obuzibu tulina kati esinzo okuletera show single flopping generally nga tujjeko emmere ezaliwo Chameleon scaffolds n'ebiki. Dubai nakuzino tubeera ne show buli week.
No teyabadde ekara kuba just if nga bana Uganda we are just concentrating on the fact nti ye gwe twali tugendeddeyo.
Okay.
But teyaliyo
yekaliyo
ne King Promise ne Dance Lord.
Abo baki?
Bava Ghana.
Banagana. Kyogamba Banagana tebali mu Dubai.
Mwebali.
Naye tebali supportive. Okay.
Enjawulo ntono nnyo ne bana Uganda.
Neze ndowooza ebintu ebimu ebisinze okuleeta flops mu shows ennaku zino oba shows e Dubai. Ne advertisement ebulamu.
TikTok tegenda bayamba abali e Saudi tebagenda kujja Dubai okubeera mu show.
Basumbwa nnyo abantu b'okunline abasinga be bagamba bagenda londa betegekera akalulu ne batabeerawo. So issue eri bweti nze ndaba ng'oggyeko kuwanga advertisement bannungi tituba tuli ku Facebook na TikTok. ate ebiseera ebisinga mpozi ne mabala abantu abagendayo.
No, tetugenda underground like olaba kati Uganda omuntu wabeera ne show ayiriba nagenda nasa.
Kati shogamba mbu oyagala omuntu alinayo show for example. Bwe basasula omu ku media personalities aba Dubai akwata obupapula agende mu bed space.
Takwata
obupapula. Alfadani.
Nedda.
Nakuze muntu biri automatic.
See what you do.
How is someone supposed to advertise?
I think they just have to put in more advertisement than just trusting abantu nto celeb aja kunterayo ka drop. You know, like I'll get the numbers by a drop celeb jakoze. Me, I will not lie to you. The reason why I went there is because of Chameleon. Naye Sophia ono muna Cameroon omuwala oyo yakubira eshow akalango. Yakubira akalanga. Naye nchiwaba Cameroon baliko babiri boka.
So what are these people up to?
I don't know what went wrong. That's the question we need to ask ourselves, because I'm so lucky. I was talking to ekyalimu deep
management.
And the total amount zebatekamu ne zebatajamu, it's so sad in that not even 10% yavayo.
Okay, apart from the advertisement, this side of let me say, what about the venue?
Oh Lord.
Was the venue too big?
Allahu Akbar. You must be kidding me. You cannot put Chameleon in a King Promise agenda.
Of the three, was the big artist? Chameleon, this other guy?
That is one thing we cannot decide. For Chameleon, he's a legend. Yeah? But I don't think Chameleon has numbers to bring people for a show.
Because abasinga bali mbiyumba?
Abantu bako.
Politically or just people just
because
you can't tell me people can there can come a day and people want to focus on work and not have some fun.
Abantu bako amisi, abantu bako Chameleon taina namba ya kuleta abantu kujuza kali.
Asobola Uganda.
Ajja kajuza.
But are these people in Dubai so supportive?
Yes. They are so supportive.
In venues like Venom Club, in clubs, eh?
Wait, if I tell you how big, I sent you videos. We were live.
Yeah, I'll share them.
You share them, right?
Yeah, I'll share them.
We're live. That venue is big. Is big in that tebaweza n'abantu bibiri.
What?
Tebaweza abantu bibiri. Tebaweza abantu bibiri.
Oh no. And I saw Chameleon came in business class. That means this guy is paid for a business class. Chameleon ajje performing and things never went as planned.
So we ngaffe botumanyi abagala sente twatula ne tuzibala ne tubala how much they might have paid Chameleon, how much they have paid King Promise.
Can you break it down for us?
King Lloyd, the dancer and all that.
Never dance baba sasuni.
Yava Ghana yajja n'abantu be. Otegeera, like we calculated in etubala nga buli kimu amazima gali nti they used $30,000 for everything.
Sente mekezo mu Uganda oba mu Uganda.
Muze Dubai is 108,000. Yeah, mitwalo 10 eza dirham. So Uganda jiba milioni 10 mu 8. Otegeera milioni 10 mu 8 is a Uganda. They were spending on those 3 artists that came here. Like one is a dancer, but you know, let's put him more if. Naye, was it worth it?
Was the advertisement
enough?
Point?
No.
And I also saw something. They had the issue of the location. The location I think is favoring na Uganda.
Okuva Deira mpaka agenda weri. Bobo tute taxi is going to, it is 98 dirhams. Jeje mitwalo 9 mu 8.
Just on transport to genda kwa agenda.
I mean 2 only. So bobo genda kweteekamu okugenda n'okudda.
Amaloso sule n'ebina.
So tubale transport. ezo bibiri omala osasula 10 tetubala muntu omunene era aba akimanya jasobola omala osasula 10 ebyo meka bisatu ogenda tuula otunulire bantu oyina okunywa oyina okulya 10 kirala ebyo bina okolerera meka.
Anyway, in the mind is time you're partying, someone can just decide today let me go out, let me have fun.
No, so
let me spend some money.
We have things to do, come on. We have things to do.
So buli muntu yenna gola bajje azze mu show.
Oyina more kitiibwa.
You know more respect.
Oyina more kitiibwa.
I think bandi badde ba considering a venue in Tonoko.
That is one
location.
Yes. Bandi badde tosobola kuyita abantu ababeera ddeira ng'obatwala mu media city.
Eri wansi
jukira show zeno sinti za sawa 3 tugenda linnya metro egenda tandika sawa 6 abayimbi we bajjira
egwe mwenda
ogenda linnya metro ki twagendayo sawa 4 nga tumanyi it is going to be too much for, like we had a lot of good expectations, like I cannot lie. Me, I was excited,
but I saw the place was nice.
The place was nice, the organization was nice, but the number of people that came out, it was
Which day was it? A Friday?
Yes, also that I think might have affected somehow. Naye twali mu holiday. Because abanagana bo
holidays zirina bezikolako ne
yes, abanagana bo bagamba obuzibu obuliwo nti bagiteekawo ku Friday ng'ate abasinga ku Saturday balina emirimu. Naye ate ekyo tekijalemesa abantu okupaatinga wano ne Monday abantu bapaatinga nga n'olwokubiri bakeera. But what went wrong? Like we need to know.
But I think
bibaddewo the aftermath, my dear. Tunyumye ebirala.
Abantu bagambe what happened after. Okay, what I had in waliwo scaffolds performing the chameleons nze asoka ku stage atoli omuyimbi omulala yasoka ku stage. So what brought about that?
So we have time limit in Dubai. Like beyond sawa mwenda bantu bakozi. Beyond sawa mwenda all bars and clubs and whatever zino kuggalawo. Ezitaggalawo nga bw'otumanyi tubeeramu naye nga legally by sawa mwenda amabala lounge concerts like everything, any entertainment beyond that time has to be closed. Right? So we had sawa 4 5 6 7 8 almost 5 hours taniko kubala mu sawa 4 because that's a good time if in case you had shows and all that. That's a good time. So they opened gates at 8. So they gave people time and then everything started around midnight. I think they were still expecting people and it was such a disappointment. Ntizawe sawa mukaga ngenamba
teyongera. You guys shared me video some but I wasn't. That's when I uploaded a video on TikTok. Tibananga Uganda basudeyo show
tebeyongera
and you're running it out. Guys tebabereyo ne babiri wanga basunga
boy buzibu.
So how does it like oloza chizo ko affecting abantu abalanga wakati like abantu abalanga baweddemu kumanyi it needs more unity like from okwesa media ezenjawulo.
I don't know buzibu
because these guys are sticking on same people and they are not making it. I think these guys have now to expand more. But niko kwesa ku media suka mwemu
mpozi n'ekirala if me ogontaddewo nenkukolera akalango ne staff n'abakiraya nti booyagala ate oli omulala najja nampa sente mukolerera akalango nganze omuntu agulako ticket, I will not trust you. Gemazima no lie. If your show flopped nga wajiteekamu everything like the energy, the advertisement and everything, and then now you're telling me okay I have another show, I will not trust you.
For me, I'm just seeing some people like someone is advertising this one flops, tomorrow it brings up this. I think
it's too much. You're giving too much for people.
It gets
we
too
cannot
much.
consult
like
anymore.
Remember this month of mwezi ogwedde tubadde mu nabayimbi basuka mukaga. Vinka is here, Spice is here, Saha is here, Clever J is here, Alien Skin was here. Like mu short time abantu bajja. Facilities are feza wano. We do money for saving. we need to have something in the pocket at the end of the day. Chameleon is a big artist. Name omutekamu location etaliiki. I think that advertisement nebulamuzi nja kubagamba nti bantu bangi ba media personalities abali mu underground abulamu bamanyi. Try to use media personalities abasukka mu osobola okupromoting ekintu kyo. Okitegeera. So kubanga like you increase numbers of information. Yeah. Some people are just watching from Biyumba. They are not coming. But some these other media personalities very cool ground. You're using someone to yes, you're not andikirwako because it's the big dog mu system. You can now you should now expand.
Yeah, they need to expand.
Give other people a chance.
They need to expand. Tetujja kubeera ku muntu munga yakola buli kimu akowa.
No, it's okay. It's okay because
consuming information
no, if you can see engage comment jiba commenting ku services bichi sometimes tubate bana baina gundi sino beta kubanga bafuninge jiba chusamu.
By the way, this is just an advice, yeah, regardless of the fact that in Tifeba celebrities or media personalities, or you're holding an account and you feel you're big and all that, so you don't need to go through comments. In those comments there would be things that are being talked about repeatedly. Please do care about them. Not everything in the comment needs to be bad, you know. Maybe it's just an advice they're trying to let you. Newe babeerako 10 wali ajja kujja asiime wali ye ngajja just to advising.
I'm forgetting the name, but he's having a
wali ajja ye
he's having a name profile picture ecologic. I like the way he's just submitting comments. So about comments that she doesn't usually do, but when he does, it just makes sense.
Yeah, we should go through those comments. They really dominate us. Like they hurt because bavuma bamanyira naye ate mubeeramu era bakuzaamu amaanyi mulimu n'aba advising mwezo comments. So I think reading comments is somehow good. It will help you.
For a media company it is okay.
Yeah, you grow.
And kati abantu nakuzina bukintu ekisinga byafoka political. So sometimes okwegendereza, you have to be careful in whatever you're submitting. These people are so much into
mwabawandiika
tosobola bategeera abantu kyebagala nabo benyi bayinza okuba abasinga tebakola ki tebakimanyi, they just attack anyhow.
Kale show ya floppings.
So show ya Chameleon ya John Dubai ekituufu ekiro ya floppinga. Lwaki bali balwanira oyingira ku stage? Oluvannyuma lw'okufulopinga ne service tebaatuwa abayimbi baffe abalungi tebapafominga obola. Chameleon bangamba yayimba eddakiika z'essatu at least. Alime bangi
naye teyayimba dakiika 3. Yali ndowooza awemula buwemuzi like yali azze kweraga. That's the point.
Ngamanyi obudde akyalina.
Yes, but one thing they
did. Bano basajute gadi abatakwata mundu.
No, alabika abadde akimanyi. One thing they did, twali batono. So MC tells n'abali eri waggulu nti bajje wansi. It
this
feels
MC
bad.
Guy from
Venom.
Yeah, you know the guy.
So the MC asks all of us to come closer. Kati wano awaddirira stage waliyo ne ka VIP, ka standing VIP. So abo balimu banga 10.
Tebalina table.
Temwali table makati because yali just standing VIP company stage. So the MC balaba shonge floppings. They tried their best. So they told security to open. People should come nearby. Security negana. And I think n'abantu abali basasudde VIP bakiraba mbobi. So management. Yes, management. No, bali bayimirira. It's a
yes,
VIP.
But titwagala kwenyiga ensonga lwaki twayagadde tubeera.
The distance was too much.
It is okay to
space was too much.
Bali bamanyi tugenda kujja bangi.
Tebawera. Ne bagaana okuggulawo. So waliwo space between the stage, the VIP and the 7 people aba normal ordinary. So aba ordinary twalimu nga 10.
Ate ngambye tebawera 2 kati basigadde tewali.
Nkugambye ffenna twali.
You showed me mwandaga mwali coding around the place n'entunula tunangana amwana. Abantu bachi. So Chameleon yagamba tagala soka ku stage.
tutula sawa mukaaga musanvu bali abazinyi bajja, they danced, music plays. So sawa zigenderera abambi abazina bazinye playing music ba DJ ne batu playing, they were really good. Balanga Chameleon ne King Promise balanga tebajja. Sawa mukaaga musanvu
ngaje bali backstage
mukwano ngaje bali
nebule
musanvu munana
Chameleon bamutemya kombo boy bagalawo
mwenda alabika
agenda vano nga katemba because I think he went the next day.
The next day were right away.
He just went to the airport.
Because that morning ka video katambula nga ali ku airport with the same clothes nga ali mu nnyonyi nga ayimbira abantu with the same clothes ze aliko nazo ku stage. Tewakalaba ka video nga ayimbira
yeah.
Ezo zengoye ze ali mu stage.
Tebana abagundi kupenge byaga.
Mukwano simanyi. Naye nga kye nnina okugamba twalinda abayimbi Chameleon ajja bamulanga mbu ajja tumulinde tetuleekaana nga tunyumiddwa, we want to have fun, see Chameleon and all that. And then unfortunately sawa ziweze munana around anamutano, and then this is when now they are telling us Chameleon is coming on stage. Nayingirawo ati bwayingira ndoza bwalaba number of people n'atyamu n'agamba ba security baggulewo tuyitewo abana bayingire babere kumpi ne stage. Security negaana. Chameleon nga bomumanyi yabalisiizaawo n'abawemula n'abagamba mwagala kunswaza mmwe mwagala kundabisa, I'm going to come down and sing from down. He came down and then all Ugandans were all over him. The music stopped. Yes, the music stopped, and when you are recording it seemed like there were a lot of people around him, like fun. It was fun.
You recorded that?
I have everything. Nakuyamba nakola obwamawulire.
Yeah, we have to share them to the people.
He came closer, and it felt so personal and good. And then he had to go back. Bro, he went back. Music. Boy.
So leo mwimbo mnatayimba mnake omutuganagan.
Wadde.
Nabanaganira tebaliwo.
Baliwera Saturday. Wadde. Yatuuka ku stage. Music nebamujjako n'akyuka n'agamba DJ oyagala kundabisa.
Bangamba bapromota bamuyisa bubi. Bamuteeka mu motoka n'abantu bamunyigiriza.
Ekyo tekikulemesa nawe.
No, only big boy. There's no way work.
So was he biased?
What is the problem of you
bring? Was he biased by not singing?
Okay, Zawadi. What was that? It was a motoka ya meka zinezaka. Zinezaka.
Maybe he wasn't worth it to them.
No, it's not being worth it. No nyawulo gundi apa jita yangu. You can also fune motoka nene kudira mukuru.
Maybe yete yali worth it kuba amuleta.
Atenga amuleta mu business.
Business enyonyezo kubanga yamuteekamu ne upgrade nga bamugulira economy. Engeri gyalina erinnya nga Eye Uganda teyagikubira kalamba. Weto walaba buli kimu yali akuwa kya Uganda Airlines. Nga bayinza okuba bamu upgrading.
Anyway, nga bawudde nti Jose Chameleon, anyway, big artist mu Uganda.
Yeah, he is big.
Yeah, so
maybe mu Uganda.
Nebona we mulira mu mumanyi mu Chameleon munene.
Nze ku ngeri gye nali mwesunzeemu. I was disappointed. And then there was an argument. Chameleon tayagala soka ombu King Promise yaba soka mbu. That was the biggest argument they had.
Kati King Promise ani amumanyi?
Amumanyi yayimba kali akayimba bakaita bati. Akatrendinga ku TikTok akata ta na ta. Okategete.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the
I'm trying to get, but I think I get the beat.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get that.
Yayimba kwa kayimba. Yeah, it doesn't
he had to go to the stage kuba yana kayimba kama TikTok.
No, that's not the point. Like when you look at it, most people were Ghanaians, yeah?
Most Uganda nabona Ghana bali abanja.
I think Ghanaians were more. Ghanaians were more.
Ate abanyalwana nalaba.
Fena twaliyo.
Wayina yomu.
Bonna baliyo n'aba Nigeria basatu baliyo. Bantu bulyo bro. abazungu baaliyo waliyo omunaggana yajja ne girlfriend y'omuyindi n'abalabu naye bambi oba bawulira batya nga muyindi atuddawo tabitegeera
bazungu bamanyi
nga tabitegeera naye bawe nga musanyufu.
Anyways ekyengamba kiriwo ekiti
kyali tekigenda kubeera fair if Chameleon came last.
Why?
We as Ugandans are party poopers, I will not lie. Tulaba show nga bamaze okujjako buli kimu bayinza n'obijjako ne tubeerawo mpaka nkeera because we love what they call a party and people. Bana Uganda okitegeera. So if King Promise yasookawo right away ng'amaliriza tewali kye baagaza Chameleon.
Abana Uganda
abagana
bandimazeeyo
Chameleon yandiyimbidde ani bana Uganda bokka
abalimu 16
bawera
omukulu yaliyo omukulu wa media
aliwa
media personalities kyabaliyo.
I saw Vibes. He looked so disappointed too because ye yali atambuza kamera ye yali akola buli kimu but he looked disappointed. He kept going up and down. He was, I think, also disappointed.
Saza naye kati alina okwegendereza abantu abayinza yayinza okwokya sawa yonna kitegeera. But I like the fact that he's a working hard guy, man.
He loves what he does. He was there. He kept going VIP up there and then come down. There were also some.
I didn't a little feet.
Yeah.
Because if
even some Ugandans were there, like Abanini, like our promoters. I saw memes and all that memes.
But they should just call it more.
They were there.
And Katawainzo Kwabo.
They were there. They were really there. But do you think they paid tickets? I don't think so because they were even selling tickets.
Chameleon in Uganda yakola 1 million imeza nazwa family shoni ya misala. Anyway, I will take this what I will say. Media personalities mu Dubai tulina okwongera okwatagana nze ne staff na ku sente naye bontera kono ngamba Dubai Eye so kompisizeemu wano. I will take it ng'ekintu ekyamaanyi then I will just pass it out. Nemba sirese abantu bangi babatano bakubaamu. So oba ofunye gig ng'olaba weetaaga support, talk to the people in the kubanga ekimanyi omuntu ali mu media bamanyi baalimu nabo. Ekigera kwasaganya channels ez'enjawulo asookona ku big times ogajala trophy nteekaayo neyogera ne Kefashuji nteekaayo neyogera ne Dubai Eye nteekaayo neyogera ne Vibes Nyondo. Like
but there are so many social media.
Yeah, we have platforms
medias,
nowadays.
Right? Platform nyingi. So if you're to promote ngogenda bayitamu banaite biba bya bwerere.
Anza shingamba kiri bwest. For example, Nyondo funyo omulimu. Tapin nonya kubana abana balabo bawe bakulangireko. Mulo abantu bamu tetwetaga sente.
Yeah.
Just nterako message mudemo ngai mwana musajja mpisiza niwe naleta y'abantu babiri ate nja kikola willingly ate njagala kusupportinga kuba kiba kirungi nnyo ne tubayo n'omuntu akola ki akagamba wetu.
We should not compete, that is it.
So era just tulina okubanga system tugitambuza nekyala tulina like venues zino consideringibwa.
Yes. That is so important.
Omuyimbi mu Dubai.
As a promoter in Dubai, you need to know ekika ky'abantu boyagala mu show. There is no way you're going to bring Chameleon. 90% of Ugandans are people that are getting not too much money and they're not living in JVCs, in Jamaica, they're not living in business. They're in Deira. They're in Deira. So if you make sure your venue is accessible, yeah? If they can access the venue, like, bro, no abatayagala, ngololo na kutayina chakola, ajja kujja, just because into transport, intono, asobola no tambulawo. Imagine show yo jitade in a club. Amazima, yeah? The reason why people love going to club is not to club omuyimbi. If I go to club and muyimbu yo jali, ajja kubeerayo, but I might enjoy my music, I might going to smoke, I'm going to drink, it's going to be like a normal party. But ogenda kunteeramu just omuyimbi okitegera. But if I go out on a mall, on a hall, concert place and all that, all I expect is omuyimbi okunyimbira. That is why bano abayimbi we batayimba, we were so disappointed and we wanted our money back. But if I was in bar, even if they had not sung, me already
I remain sponsor.
Simanyi.
Because if you can bring people mu Dubai mani bakulema handling, then there is a problem.
The management was not also managing good. It wasn't.
Anyway, Kasta they manage your money.
But dear bina nkoze ntia.
Bro tera inza kutasa kubaka tina wabala babasajja abalange ekivulu babivaako dda bagenda mbirala. Yes bana isagala mwerabire winter fest ejja. Vibes promotions bena bali mu Dubai mberenga mwitekanga 16 Sunday bano isama kalangu dede pande muje mubereyo ziza bafana jali pomini nebisigadde yo
mulete ebintu byammwe
kyotegeeza
babisitule tuteke wali ziza tuzinire
mena abakyala nene Dubai berenga mujja ate mwenga muteka wembeera tumebeera ku show kuba kati vibes zigindo za ye media.
But it's December, you know, that is what we do, like shows.
So you have to be supportive and tubereyo. So ndoza byebyo so ya Chameleon yali mu bitegedde. Chameleon bali
yayimbire dakika zalinga 10. You know what's funny? Chameleon is several music we bamujjako naayita abazinyi mbo atuzinira. Dance routine ye bakoze. Ngate kuli music.
Ngamba yeye ali steady.
Echo chibuzo.
Ate bwizomanizo, what was Wizard doing? He was around.
He was. Nothing. Yeah. Nothing. We didn't even see him. Maybe we would have seen him if they had time. But they didn't have time.
Yandize mu bombo class. Anyway, byebyo byaffe Dubai Eye Uganda kubanga mutambulidde ku mukutu.
Naye nga musupporting.
Abantu sokwe closing remarks tubelenga tukigala.
No, I think people should support.
N'emirimu gyo.
People should really support. Musupporting bannamwe.
Yeah, it's better.
Never to supporting mutuwe ku kitiibwa bannayinza okwejjayo n'enkwata emitwalo 4 n'enkwata ne transport mitwalo 2 sente zo ziba nnyingi so mutuwe ku kitiibwa.
For someone not to appreciate you, that's a lot of money.
It's a lot of money. It's not small. It's a lot of money. Tuliba kadama. Tuliba mfumla mpola.
So we're respecting a cent. Yeah, that's how the show was. I think she'll have to close to bring her to scam to yongere mumaso.
But no, a disclaimer. That was my thought. That was my thought. Saga Alumba Muntu Yena, big up to people that came through and also to the medias that tried to advertise. You know, they all it's just in Tichigana. And the promoters do not give up. You can do something better. Just watch where you did wrong and maybe fix that place. That's it. But as usual, you can contact BBH at any time you want. We have WhatsApp numbers. You can go to our website www.bbhworld for every single visa ever Dubai joyagala visa freelance visa myaka 2 airport
visa
to
listed.
airport man wakatonda ya twagala simanyi tewali buzibu until right now even 30 days vazifuna
visa zifuluma berango
30 days
she's ready to talk to
30 days vazifuna muntu whatsapping muntu you go to our all platforms yeah to
freelance visas on just yogera bogezo berengo jifuna yeah
no boli Uganda osobola okufuna freelance visa yote waba buzibu
no janga boss
ate n'abali muno ng'owulira oli stranded oyagala kudda waka mukwano tofa
ajja funika out pass
tofa funa out pass ode waka
ate abscond kiti
banange oba olina visa ya Abu Dhabi ng'eriko abscond nsaba busabi nkusaba togezaako kira agent yenna do not bother yourself, do not spend your money, do not give nobody your money. Visa za Abu Dhabi woba tosasula fine yenna tebakuggyako abscondi. Bw'ogendayo nga wamaze osasula fine reduction nti bakusalireko bakwata bukwasi. Bwe bakwata deportation within 3 days. You have 2 options, to pay the money fully or you're being deported. So if you pay all the money, mukwano awo wenyini we bagikugirako n'ogenda n'okyusa visa yo nga bw'ojagala. Naye bw'oba toyina ssente mbu ngenze kusaba bampe fine reduction bakudeportinga. Abagala autopass musobola ogenda ozeefunirayo, gula buguzi tiketi, genda ne visa copy yo ne passport ne tiketi yo ku immigration yona visa yo gyeva, then bajja kuwa autopass.
Wendoza mushitegedde mufunye award from the right person. Muberenga mwesiga bibeshwa zon travel ebijja yambako ku bintu by'emitaga mawagala okujja mu Dubai mulambula ebifo bingi bino byolambula. Ngaye mutawula bantera okukola video nga ntambuddemu, so anything anywhere anytime beranga otukwasaganya namba zibakaawo, so okonako wano whatsappinga nofuna obuyambi.
Mpozi ne kano njagala kaisaawo baddiya bamaama baffe bamaama babana babayita batya, I don't want to ochogera in a wrong way, how should I call them?
Bali abanekolera jange
mwabayina abaana abo nga mbatadde mu kiyumba, like ng'omutaddemu ssente ng'amazima omutaddemu $1.4
nga wamuleetako
okuva Uganda
akola emirimu
gya nekolera jange. Banaye bano abaana oluusi babuuka bukyali, which is good for them. Visa yaabwe y'emyezi 2 bw'eba egenda kuggwako. Some of them do understand they have to do airport to airport visa change. Tebaagala genda mu overstay. Naye bakazi abo, basajja abo, baabo bamaama baffe, basenga baabwe in courts
ababaleeta
bagamba bawa passport.
Abayagala mukozesa biri byamujje ewakiwe Kampala
ayagala wano amuggyeko passport. Abamu bagezi kale bayinza omuwa passport n'alema okudda muki okitegeera. Naye oyagala kungamba mu egyo emyezi 2 egyo 14 ziba tezivuddeyo.
Munange kisinziira gye nnakujja. Anyway ndoza mwide baleta bana abakyala tumulekera yingiro pasitereka atunde byatunda nenga yine
oba nedda muteekemu 85
agenda funa omulenze
kankubulire business. I'm just now going to give an assumption.
And passport so gambo yabula
nkwata mukolere visa y'emyaka egyo emyaka 2 sigwa geno mabsconinga naye ngeri gyoli nti gwe yamuteekamu visa, you have the right to tell omuntu yamukolera visa bamuggyeko bamucancellinge bamabsconinge, teweetaaga passport y'omuntu. Okitege mukolere visa ya myezi 2 mukwane ya myaka 2 osobola wengamba omutunda kiba kinene
agala banafe babawembwa
eje emyaka 2 oba osobola omurulinga kiba kyangu, naye emyezi 2
bagwa ku bagezi ne bababuusa
osobola omukola.
Ne buli muntu avudde Uganda ngozze okukola mirimu ng'egyo oba omanyi Jose right?
Abasinga bamanya
Terili abasinga
how deep it is.
Okay. Ntibayinza n'okutegembwa.
They just don't know how deep it is. Naye nga abasinga bakimanyi. Tewali ajja wano
banange abaana abo mukozesa ebintu oba muleta kukola bintu ebyo waba asobola okukola nga ayagala osigaza visa yengeri operate.
Yes,
tumukiriza yengera mu overstay muyambe akole visa asigale nga akolera sente. Kwede gwe mulimu gwe
aneda sente ogenda kufunira. Life is hard.
Anyway mwana byebyo muli kukumira ku Dubai Eye lero mbadde ne zawadi asubmitting the points ze kanswire muzitute her personal opinion kuba yaliyo ku show.
Yes, I was there.
So ate buli wabeera mukimanya abeera mu VIP to munonyezanga tukunonyezanga ordinary
ne ordinary njagenda esinzo omugage mukwana badi sponsors wendi
ate abanonya ba sponsor
sponsor mwendi.
Okay mwebale kubanga mwekomera ku Dubai Eye.
Thank you. Ba sponsor mwe